stressed out. Morning everyone. It is breakfast time, so I'm gonna be making chicken tenders. Good morning everybody. I am really late on eating breakfast because I always forget to take my meds, so I have to like wait an hour, and now I can finally eat. So I have my frying pan. I'm gonna make a really weird breakfast because I want like everything right now. So I'm gonna have eggs, chicken tenders, and some pasta. It's cooking. Oh my gosh, that was so much oil. Yeah. I got to make sure.
Pretty.
Yes, baby. So my water is boiled, and I'm gonna make some pasta now. I use this dinosaur pasta. I'm finishing off some of my personal work before I have class today, because I have class in like, I think a few hours. I think 2 more hours. Kind of not ready for it. I also have to do my homework, so there's that. This brings me to talk about today's sponsor as well. So as you can see, I'm using the Asus VivoBook S15, and they've kindly sponsored this video today, so thank you so much. And I'm just going to talk to you guys about a few of their features. First of all, they're available in 4 distinct colors. This one I have right here is just in the shade Gaia Green. They have a black one, a white one, and a red one as well. Really great color range, especially if you're not into the everyday, like kind of like boring, dull kind of colors. They have more color options. They also have this like extra feature, which is just this bold yellow enter key, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it's only 1.8 kilos, super lightweight, so you can bring it from uni to home, to the library, to the cafe, wherever you need to. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, especially if you carry a lot of things like books. I don't know, I also carry my makeup with me, and just everything else. That's really great if you're on the go all the time. It's also powered by a 10th generation Intel Core processor. To simplify that, it just means that they have a lot better processing power and also a longer lasting battery life. So that's really great, especially when you're doing work. Those are some of the features. I'll also have a link down below for more information if you want to check it out. So feel free to check that link down below if you're looking for a new laptop or looking to replace a laptop. And yeah, I'm going to continue doing work now, and yeah, I am so tired. I honestly just want to like clear all of my December out and just chill out, do everything that I've ever wanted to do, and just forget about everything else, because it's been a really hectic month. Anyways, okay, time to get on with this work because I'm a little behind. I look kind of weird right now, so please ignore that. I also have a face mask on, so also please ignore that. So, oil, that was way too much oil. Okay. I was wearing this because I needed to keep my hair up. I have a lot of work to get done today. So today is just a get work done day for my own stuff, and I have a bit of homework to do. Mainly just editing videos. So I have a lot of videos to edit. By the time this one's out, the other ones are probably out. So hopefully those are out already. Also, my family's heading out. So they're going to be gone for a few days. And me and my sister at home. So I guess this is like a home alone vlog as well. That's the plan. And then maybe we'll make dinner tonight or something. I don't know. Honestly, today's been like a really bad day. Just haven't been having the best day. Been very stressful. I'm really stressed out. So yeah, I hope you guys are well. Let me know how you guys are doing down below. If you're stressed out, just like rant it out down below and let's have a chat about it, because yeah, I'm stressed too, and we can stress out together. Unless you're having a really good day, then like I'm really happy for you, because I love that for people. But you know, she's not having a good day today, so I'm just gonna drown in my sadness. It's not really sadness, it's more just like stressness. I'm really stressed. I'm just returning a bunch of emails right now and trying to get my life together with some other stuff that's happening. I also have to go back to the doctor soon, which I don't know how. I had my surgery, like I mentioned my surgery in my last video a few videos ago, and it's actually been a really long time since that video and this video. So I got my surgery like early September, by the way, and if I haven't talked about it yet in a video, it's coming out really soon. Yeah, I got surgery on my neck, which is why I have this here. I have to go back to the doctors and the hospital for another checkup. Not a checkup, it's not even a checkup. It's I have to get like this radiation thing, which is focused on just this area to kill off any like remaining cells. If that video hasn't come out yet, then now you know, I guess. But I'll talk about like what actually happened and everything there. But yeah, so there's like little particles like floating around in my neck right now and latched onto like some nodes potentially, so they just want to be sure and clear it all out with this radiation. And yeah, I'll be stuck in hospital for 3 days, and I have no idea what the side effects are. Nobody has told me anything, and I feel like when you go to the doctors or the hospital or any sort of doctor, like they tell you like, oh, like this and this, and like they downplay everything a lot, probably so you don't get nervous. But like because they downplay it, my expectations, for example, for like the surgery were like, wow, I'm gonna be like okay after this, it won't even be that bad. And afterwards I was like in so much pain. I was like, I can't even eat, swallow, stand, stretch, talk, sleep properly. Like it was just so mentally draining and physically draining actually. But anyways, that's for another video. I'm just trying to figure out my schedule at the moment. I feel like I always jam pack my months like so much that it's just very heavy for me in terms of my work schedule and balancing everything with uni as well. Especially today, I like got like a gajillion things done in like one go, which I wish I had time to like pace myself. I just felt really rushed today, which wasn't great, and I've been feeling rushed lately, but I don't know if it's because I had my surgery, so I've been kind of like behind. I want to give myself more time to just like explore myself and just lively pleasures in general. I don't know, like go out actually, like to the park, or go on like a weekend trip, or just hang out with my boyfriend, like in terms of actually going on like dates and stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to continue doing stuff right now, and I'm gonna write my schedule out. I literally wrote my schedule out. So I like pushed everything towards the end of the week, and my end of the week is a lot more packed compared to this first part of the week. So that first part is fine, but the rest is just like pew 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 pew. Oh my god, oh my god.
Ah, it doesn't matter, just pick up. It's
Basically.
Basically, one day without eating rice.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay, I am about to have a shower and I probably need to tie my hair more because I'm not washing my hair today. And have you guys heard Blackpink's new album? I'm sure like some of you guys have if you like K-pop or Blackpink in general. And I have and I love it. So I thought I should just put it out there. Okay. Oh, shower time. I'm gonna get on my blankets.
Lonely, they know when people are depressed, they know when people